Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. I would like to introduce my husband. His name is Indra and he is 28 years old. He was born in Tasikmalaya on October 12, 1997. He lived in Tasikmalaya, West Java, Indonesia. He works as a freelance, but he also likes to keeping livestock. He is a hard worker for his family. He is a very kind and loving husband and father to his family. I am so proud to have him as my husband.